But the Sundays are for lovers, then the Mondays are for EBT videos. It's a happy Monday, Manduli Sekuni Nonke. And today Monday is a chance for you to tell me what was your favorite sporting moment of the week. And guess what? Today we've got a very special guest that is going to tell us his favorite sporting moment of the week. Tata and Willie say,
Molo mshakazi, molo. Njani?
yeah, I'm doing very well.
Hayi
Thanks very much.
ndiyaphila nami.
May you kindly please tell us what was your favorite sporting moment of the week?
My favorite sporting moment of the week was seeing Orbit FC getting promoted to the PSL. So it's a team from Northwest. I'm also from Northwest, so that was my favorite sporting moment of the week.
Thank you so much, man. And as we heard from him, it was a valid reason because it's a team that comes from where he comes from. And for the first time in Northwest, it's about a team because after Ipolokwane Stars, Platinum Stars
Stars.
got delegated 2018, khange babe nayo enye team. Mandibulele kakhulu ngexesha kule intervention andiboleka khona. I'll be there in the comment section ready to respond. Mnandi.
Enkosi.